Who's ready for another hotel review? This time, we're checking out the Springhill Suites on Universal Boulevard. Springhill Suites by Marriott on Universal Boulevard is literally right here on Universal Boulevard. This is going to be a really great location in summer of 2025 because it's literally halfway between the main campus of Universal, which is literally right over there. You can take this and it will take you straight into Universal Parks and Resorts. You'll drive literally right past the Endless Summer Suites, Dockside and Surfside, and then you'll be able to park or go to one of the other resorts that they have over there. But if you follow this and you keep going down Universal Boulevard, you're going to be able to see the Stella Luna and Terra Nova hotels down this way, about another 1.5 miles, 2 miles. And it's also going to be a great way to get into Epic Universe and Grand Helios Hotel. This is going to be a really great option if you are looking to do that and not wanting to stay on property. And the other great thing is we're only one light, which is about, I'd say about a half mile, between a half mile and a mile away from Icon Park. So you'd be able to ride the Ferris wheel, you'd be able to do the swings of death. I don't understand how anybody does those. Lots of things. Another thing to keep in mind with this particular resort is you can see literally on the other side of that red vehicle is the Residence Inn by Marriott here. So it is two Marriott properties, Residence Inn and Springhill Suites, that are sharing amenities such as the pool. So keep that in mind. Right over here is going to be the lovely portico area where you can go ahead and get yourself checked in, unload baggage, especially if it is raining. And then there is plenty of parking along the sides and back of the building. I will say there is currently a parking fee here. Double check the website so that you know exactly how much parking is when you arrive. And ooh, I don't know why, but I've always really liked those flowers. All right, Springhill Suites by Marriott. As a heads up, after 11 p.m. you do need to use your room key to get in. We make an immediate right. This is going to be the breakfast area, or if you want to hang out after checkout until you are ready to go to your next destination. Plenty of places to be able to do that. Now, breakfast here is pretty standard breakfast. We had it this morning. Scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, bagels, some bakery items. Also had waffles. That was fun. And yes, they are currently closed, but you can see they do have juice, and then this bar through here where you can grab your hot items. The other thing that they had, which I thought was really cool, is chocolate milk along with the 2% milk. So Nick definitely made up for what he didn't eat in solid foods with hot chocolate. I also love that they do have some charging outlets here if you need it for in the morning because your phone didn't charge properly, like mine did yesterday. Or if you are waiting to get picked up and you want to give your phone an extra boost. The market has some pretty standard items. If you're looking for something to snack on, if you don't want to go out and get something to eat. And cuisines. They also have some basic toiletries if you need something. And then a couple bottles of wine, because we all know that we need those from time to time. Here is the current market menu. This will change based off of availability. The other thing I really like to have in this particular one is the ice water. They also have hot water and drinks, coffee, hot tea. This is out all day for you. Here is the library. This tends to be an overflow for breakfast. but you can also use it as a little bit of a quiet space if you need to maybe get some work done. Lovely. And as I mentioned before, breakfast hours are located here, and that is subject to change. We keep on going down. This is where the business center is located, right next to the elevators. They do have paper as well as a telephone, and then you can log in, print out anything you need to on the computer. Elevators are there. Somebody is using the fitness center. I'll try to get that later, but here is the ice machine. They also have an ATM here if you would need to get some cash out for tips or whatever. Looks like it is processed by Meta Bank. And then Nick has already rated this, but if you are interested, plenty of things for you to kind of look and see what is available during your stay. And here is the pool. And Scott and Nick are the only ones that he's saying, uh-oh, mommy's here. Very nice. I'm actually very happy with this. A couple of nice little tables. No lifeguards on duty, that's pretty typical. Scott is getting something. Am I in the frame? Now I definitely am. How you doing, babe?
Babe, who's this babe that you pick up?
Well, it's going to be you, but if you don't want to be babe, then that's fine.
I can't hurt you.
Oh, pretty nice looking pool. Goes to 5 feet. Very nice, and Nick is going. They also have a really fun little wading pool here for the kiddos. I think that's adorable. And as a heads up, pool hours are currently 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., but that will probably change seasonally. Okay, so it does look like it goes to 5'3". No. It's cold.
Yeah.
All the more reason to not jump in.
I about lost my nippies a little bit ago.
Yep, and Nick's just having a ball.
Are you having fun?
You have fun?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Here, towards me.
This is you.
That's it, burn it off. Burn off all that energy. All right, now I can venture a little bit deeper into the water.
Oh, shark!
Yeah, no, this shark ain't gonna chase you. This shark, it's cold. It's cold. Oh my lord. Help me. Help me. Oh. Nipples cold. Nipples. Oh, armpits. Oh my gosh. All right, so yes, the pool is a little cold. Don't know what the temperature currently is inside the pool, but the sun is not out, so if it was a hot 95-degree day with the sun beating down on you, this would feel amazing. But right now, the sun's behind the clouds, and it's cold. A little cold. It kind of hurt the Canuckies. So, anyway, let's try to enjoy this. Shall we? Are you ready? Ready?
Ready? Hey yo, welcome back to the show. Welcome to you. Look at the view.
Hey, the sun's coming back out. What do you think about that? Yeah, the water's so cool. Hi. Why are you just hanging on the edge? Why don't you swim? What?
Let's race.
Let's race.
It's getting dark.
Gonna get you, gonna get you, gonna get you, gonna get you. Gonna get you. Right there. Gonna get you.
What are you doing?
Daddy's silly. Look how beautiful this guy is down here. I don't want to go back home. There's palm trees here, blue skies, and more palm trees. I don't want to go home. Alright, maybe to go home to pick up everybody and bring them down here. I like that idea.
Down here.
Okay. This particular hotel has 7 floors and 2 elevators. They are pushing Magic Kingdom and Epcot, which I find rather entertaining, seeing as how Universal is about a mile down the road. But it's really hard to say no to teacups. And here we are. Now, something I thought was a little interesting is both hotels that we have stayed at this trip that were not the Disney property put us in the end of the hallway, which is a great spot if you have a kiddo that needs things to be a little bit quieter or is a loud child to be in with and you want something where you're not bothering people. So we happen to be staying in 601, 6 for the 6th floor, and then 1 for the first room. Let's get the key out first. Ha ha ha. Okay, so I've just come into our room and oh my goodness, turned all the lights on. As you can see, very nice desk area here. Small kitchenette style with a microwave, coffee maker, and of course a mini refrigerator. Love that. Also some extra storage if you would need it. Now this is a king suite, so that is going to pull out into a sofa bed for Nick. I really like that sofa. He also has his own little TV here in the living room. I think that's awesome. Then there is the king bed. I get to sleep with my husband on this trip. Yay! And if you have kids, you know. Very nice end tables on either side. And then we also have our own TV, so we can watch something other than Bluey. Here is our sink. It is a single sink, which is more than fine for us, and it has plenty of counter space. Full length mirror, hello. This is outfit number 2 of the day because we got poured on. And then here is our bathroom. As you can see, very nice shower. Looks as though we have 39° north products. Decent little shower head. I mean, I'm gonna be a little sad. We just came from Disney, so it's not gonna be the same as that rainfall from that brand new room. But very nice little shower. Oops, standard toilet. Plenty of towels. I love that. I think this is going to do very well for the 3 of us for the next few nights. And right up there, that is where all of Nick's blankets are going to be for when I set up his bed for him. Right at the end of the hall, an area of refuge, an ice machine. Our ice machine is currently not working, but that's okay. And then here is the guest laundry. As you can see, I happen to be doing laundry. Now, laundry service as of right now is free. Cycle times is about 30 minutes for each. The dryer is actually about 35. And laundry supplies are available at the front desk. The other elevator is boasting Epcot. Here's the fitness center. Doesn't have a whole lot. I've already checked out, so I don't have my room key. But pretty basic, has everything that you're gonna need in order to get whatever workout done that you're gonna need on this particular vacation.